In the context of the unexpected calamities caused by the climatic changes, the COP26 negotiations are certainly the last and the best hope to make our common home a better place. While all are affected, we realize that the developing countries and the marginalized communities are at greater risk. Hence, it is important and urgent that all people of goodwill come together to discern pathways to make this world a better place. It is quite some time that the Eco-Jesuit Network has been guiding the world towards addressing and adapting to the concerns of the climatic change. The Jesuit Conference of South Asia is happy to join the efforts of the Eco-Jesuit Network, which is hosting multiple events with the support of its partners at COP26. Guided by the Ignatian call to find God in all things, responding to the call of Pope Francis, articulated in his encyclicals Laudato Si and Fratelli Tutti, for solidarity and integral ecology, inspired by the commitments of the government, and especially enthused by the universal apostolic preferences of the Society of Jesus, the JCSA and its networks are eager to actively engage in healing our common home. I am happy to inform you that JCSA has also an opportunity to participate in COP26. The Jesuit Collective recognizes that we need to work together to address the challenges arising from climatic change. Hence, we invite all the governments, civil society organizations, and networks to collectively engage with the Eco-Jesuit initiatives globally. Dear friends, let this be a time for reconciliation with creation and a call for conversion and action. God bless COP26 and bless all our efforts to make our common home a better place. Thank you.